Hello everyone and welcome to another FX Centrum trade idea for the day. For today, I decided to cover Bitcoin dollar. We see the strong downside inflow into the basically cryptos. Basically, if we take a look, I want to start from a daily time frame. First of all, after this fake move higher, so market broke 125,000, and then we had quite a big sell-off. No pullback and no power for a pullback continuation, and a massive sell-off that happened on Friday, October 10. After that, we reacted higher a bit. But it's interesting here to mention that we broke today with a breakout and breaking the key support, which was support and low from end of August this year. We also broke the lows from beginning of July as well. So we have a strong downside inflow, and let's take us a look at the weekly time frame. Seems like we are also topping in a weekly time frame. So those are all. This is also the monthly time frame. We have a couple of pushes higher in the monthly time frame. It seems like there is a chance for also a short midterm, a pullback or correction at least, which can be quite a substantial. So now when we're breaking to the downside, so the next levels in the daily time frame, we might just go here. So I will say about 100,000 mark, 99,500. That's the next level based on the recent history. So if we go to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that RSI is holding around the 28. EMAs are just absolutely to the downside, and momentum is huge to the downside. Now this particular is a new momentum low, so it will be kind of, we'll try to improvise. Probably the best downside continuation was around this area here when the market was around 108 or so. We'll try to improvise here to put a risk reward in our favor. So what we'll do here, we'll go for the short position tool, and I want to put a maximum. I don't want to see the market to return back above 108,600, and then we have actually a positive risk reward. You can see that almost 2 times bigger reward versus initial risk if we target area around 99,000 or so. We can see, but I will not like to place, I will not like to see the whole rebound back to 108,700 or so. So this is a protective stop based on this environment. This is more like a momentum play. Will not like to see the bigger reaction back here again above the previous month low. So the bear trade idea, we already spoke about the sell idea days ago, so it don't perform pretty well. But this one is like a more short-term momentum kind of situation. You can also watch for the pullbacks or so on the lower time frames to think about, to the downside continuation, or simply just thinking about the downside from here at still positive risk reward for the next significant pivot level. That'll be all for this FX Centrum trade idea for the day. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel, leave the comments below, and I'll just put a promo code for the funded, so Peter20, PETAR20. This is a discount, a code that you can use for 20% off of any challenge from prop funding, and you can see that in the description of the video, the link and the more about it. That'll be all from me for today. Have a good trading day, and speak to you soon.